What if I told you that the air conditioner that you trust to keep your home cool could actually be putting your family in danger? It's shocking, right? But it's true. Daikin, Amana, and Goodman branded air conditioners and heat pumps are facing a major recall due to a serious fire hazard. Let's dive into what you need to know to keep your home and your loved ones safe. Hi, everyone. It's Inspector Q with Pro Inspect Solutions. And today we're tackling a crucial safety issue that every homeowner and home seller needs to know. Recently, Daikin Comfort Technologies issued a major recall affecting thousands of air conditioning units and heat pumps, sold under the trusted names like Daikin and Amana and Goodman. If you own one of these units or are preparing to sell your home, addressing this issue is not just important, it's urgent. Stay with me because I'll show you how to identify if your system is impacted and what steps to take next to keep your property safe and your sale smooth. So let's start with the backstory. In June 2024, Daikin announced a nationwide recall of over 12,000 air conditioning and heat pump package units. The root of the problem? Incorrect electrical ratings printed on the serial plates of these units. At first glance, this might sound like a simple labeling issue, but the risks are anything but minor. This error can cause improper wiring, which increases the chance of electrical overheating and, in worst cases, fires. The units that are in question were manufactured between February 2020 and January 2022, a 2-year span that affects thousands of homeowners and properties. Here's how you can identify if your AC or heat pump unit is part of the recall. First, locate the serial plate on your system. It's typically found on the exterior casing or near the access panel. Pay close attention to both the model number and serial number. Here's what to look for. First, check your model number. If the unit starts with a model number of DPC or APC or GPC, then check the serial number. Anything with the range of 200-561 to 220-233. If your unit matches both criteria, it's officially part of the recall. To make it easier, you can cross-reference this information by visiting Daikin's recall page or the Consumer Product Safety Commission on the CPSC website. Now let's talk about the risk. Units with incorrect electrical ratings can lead to overheating and sparking, which may result in fires. Think about it this way. It's like plugging a heavy-duty appliance into a low-voltage outlet. At first, it might seem fine, but over time, this mismatch can cause major damage, possibly even leading to a fire when you least expect it. For homeowners, especially those preparing to sell, this poses a double problem. Not only is it a safety hazard, but also it can derail your sale process if the buyer inspector flags this issue. This recall highlights a bigger issue in the HVAC industry, ensuring that even trusted, high-quality brands like Daikin, Amana, and Goodman meet strict safety regulations. Electrical ratings are more than just numbers. They're critical safety specifications designed to protect your home. For consumers, this means two things. You should always stay proactive about recalls and product safety notices. Don't assume your equipment is immune just because it's working fine right now. If you're selling a home, addressing this recall up front not only protects the next buyer, but also can save you from costly negotiations or repair delays during closing. At the end of the day, safety always comes first, and this recall is a wake-up call to regularly inspect your home's most important systems. As the Consumer Product Safety Commission states, product safety recalls are a critical part of protecting consumers from potential hazards, and homeowners should act immediately to resolve identified risk. Additionally, HVAC safety experts have emphasized the improper wiring and electrical mismatches are one of the leading causes of hidden fire hazards in homes. This isn't an issue to ignore, it's one that requires immediate attention. Here's the bottom line. If you own a Daikin, Amana, or Goodman branded air conditioner or a heat pump, check your model and serial numbers right now. If your unit is part of this recall, don't wait. Contact Daikin Comfort Technologies immediately. They're offering free inspections and repairs to fix this issue, so there's no reason to delay. For homeowners, this is an opportunity to be proactive and resolve the issue that could slow down your sale. And for buyers, it's a reminder to work with qualified inspectors who can identify recalls. Staying informed and taking action now could save you time, money, and stress in the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more home safety tips, and share your experience in the comments below. Have you dealt with this recall before? Let us know. I'm Inspector Q with Pro Inspect Solutions, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay informed, and keep your home running smoothly.